Check out the features on this product, and we're going to show you how to put it right in. First of all, it's got two handles in the back that go between the trunk folding back seat right in here to kind of lock it in place. It has a super soft rubber anti-slip bottom, and this has already been configured for the car, meaning the headrests are all adjusted. But you just drop it in with the handles towards the trunk and put the handle right in here near the tether for the child seats. This gives it a little bit more hold so it doesn't slide around when your dog's in. Then put it right in the middle like this, pop it in there, flip it over, roll it out. This goes right up over the headrest in the front. And then again, you push the handles in. It'll just hold it more in place. And this has 4 layers that makes it totally waterproof in case your dog has an accident. Let's go a little closer. And of course on this side, do the same thing. Take the white plastic handle, and right here where your seat pivots, you want to put it right underneath the upright seat. Put the latch on. Fits great. Now this is one option, is just to have it like this, just to collect dog hair, just to stop anyone or your animal, your pet dog or cat from climbing around. But if you want it to cradle them completely, just hook up the front headrests. And everything is adjustable with these retractable straps, so you can make it tall, short. If you have your seats all the way back, or if you have them all the way up, it'll help everything because it's all adjustable. So anyway, this is our new doggy cradle. Here it is set up in the Model Y, just so everyone knows. Fits great, completely flush, seats adjusted. That's a Model Y setup. And in a Model S, fits perfect. And the handles, of course, go behind the seat. You just tuck these right in. It'll really help it from sliding around.